Let me take you on a walk as to how I use these tools to prepare my talk. Today, my topic would be my roller coaster ride. So, the steps that I would follow are: first will be brainstorming, then research, then preparing my safety net depending on the time restrictions and the type of audience. Then I would be joining the dots to prepare a story around the safety net. I would try and use a framework. Using 3P before delivery is a must. Then I would try to take care of my Addy and Amy. And then I would prepare myself with my body language, voice modulations, etc. I will share with you the integration of all the steps in this video. Just observe how I join the dots with the help of my safety net and prepare my talk in the form of a story. Now, since I will be informing you about an incident, I'll be using the topical pattern. So my safety net for the topical pattern would be, as you know, it has a preview, a body and a review. So for my topic, my preview, introduction, the topic has some subtopics that will be like, in the introduction part, gust of feelings, being on cloud 9 and the cloud burst. Okay, my preview will be like this. The body part, the topic is body, subtopic, at the airport. Subtopic, cancellation of flights and the flight delay. That will be under at the airport. Second subtopic, meeting the unexpected. And the third subtopic, the dream destination. That will be my body part. And then I'll come to review or the conclusion which has a strong statement. And the subtopics are returned, rejuvenated, and ready to dream big. So that would be my safety net. Now I will stitch the safety net to form a story. So here goes my preview part. How do you feel when you get an opportunity to be at your dream destination? A roller coaster of emotions erupt, and for a while, it is difficult to sink in. Same was my condition when the email popped in my mailbox that I was selected to be a part of my dream workshop at Harvard. Everything felt perfect, and I was on cloud 9 as I had worked hard to be there. But just as I was soaking in, it felt as if somebody pricked my cloud and there was a cloudburst. Yes, the work-life wobble started tickling me. How will your kids manage alone? Your younger one has exams, and you being a mother thinking of yourself. Who will manage your work in your absence? And the biggest question and my nightmare, how will your husband manage his health and family, as a few days ago he was diagnosed with kidney tumor and it needed to be operated as soon as possible. The list was long. But just when I was about to surrender to my fears, my duties, my responsibilities, a huge reinforcement came to my rescue in the form of my family, who literally pushed me to live my dreams. So that was the preview part. Now comes the body part. Weeks before leaving, I was engrossed in managing all the needful for my family and my office. reached Delhi by the morning flight and was wondering how I would spend my time there as the flight to New York was at midnight. I got a bit surprised by the heavy rush at the international airport, and on inquiring came to know that due to an international summit, many domestic flights have been cancelled for the day. And I thanked God that I reached well before time. When we were ready to board the flight, suddenly an announcement caught our attention that the flight was delayed by 2 hours due to some safety and security issues. Again, I was surrounded by a cloud of doubts. Will I be able to reach my destination on time? Will I miss this golden opportunity? But finally, I boarded and reached New York airport on time. I was so happy that I was literally unable to control my emotions. I rushed to the conveyor belt to collect my bag, and there I got my final jolt. My luggage was misplaced and I went blank. That was my body part. Now comes a review or the conclusion. Despite the mishap mosaic, I made it to Harvard, and the moment I stepped in, all my struggles faded away. I cherished every second of my stay, made unforgettable memories, had unparalleled experiences, and I came back rejuvenated, all set to dream big again. So here was my nearly 3-minute talk on my topic. You have to do it the same way for 30 days continuously on the same topic, and you are bound to be on your cloud 9 after just 1 month time. Start dreaming big and get going.